Some people leave such a great impact on humanity that we don't ever want to forget them. We try to preserve their memories in our daily lives so that we continue to remember what they achieved in their lifetimes and how we should follow in their paths. Saint Father José María Rubio is one of those immortalized people whose name will remain alive for all time. The Brotherhood of Saint Father José María Rubio in the town of Dalias in southern Spain offers us a vision of the life and work of this simple man through a museum which chronologically portrays the most important facts of his life through exhibition panels alternating with display cases, where we can see elements related to his time and his journey of faith.
El Museo de San José María Rubio se fundó en el año 2010 y fue inaugurado por el obispo de la diócesis. Participó también la comunidad de jesuitas de Madrid. El objetivo pues, fue aunar todos los objetos que pudiésemos de San José María Rubio y darlos a conocer al pueblo, a la gente, para que pudieran ver a través de los paneles su vida, su obra y también en las vitrinas pues, objetos personales y de su devoción.
After a friendly and warm welcome upon arrival, you walk up to the first floor, passing several picture frames and posters of Saint Father José María Rubio. On the first floor, the first things you find are the memories about his childhood, such as his cradle, his infantile dress, pictures and information about his town and family. Then the journey continues to his teenage years, the seminary where he studied, the parish where he was assigned as a priest, his services to the community, his traveling to the Holy Land and his entrance into the Society of Jesus. The museum portrays various personal belongings of Saint Father José María Rubio, such as a rosary, the last handkerchief used by him, his wallet, a cross that he kept with him that he acquired in Lourdes on the way back from the Holy Land in 1904, and several other objects which helped him to discover God. You can also see sacred vestments used by him and some others, which were given to the parish of Dalias. The last part of the visit focuses on ceremonies for beatification and canonization, as well as tributes and events organized by the Brotherhood of Saint Father José María Rubio that was founded in 1994 to promote the life and holiness of Saint Father José María Rubio. The tour of this museum will allow us to see, learn and understand how a man of our time was chosen by God to act in the world through the constant pursuit and fulfillment of his will. The Brotherhood of Saint José María Rubio, from the land of his birth, Dalias, is proud to open the doors of this museum for all of you to know a man who put his faith in God and surrendered his life to him. Every day he demonstrated that it is possible to live a true Christian life and reach the goal of holiness. Saint Father José María Rubio used to say, "Do what God wants and want what God does." The journey of this museum teaches us a lot about the life of Saint Father José María Rubio and fills us with energy to serve the Lord in the same way he did.